Hello there! Welcome to the Clever Cubs classroom. This is the number 1. 1 giant glowing wheel. Look! 2 glowing wheels and 3 bright headlights. You are so smart! 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, great job! 2. Let's keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
And that makes 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4. And that makes 9. Let's count all our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. We made 10. 11 glowing stars. Now let's count 12 colorful clouds. Wow, look at that! That is the number 13. 13! Look at all the numbers floating. 12, 13! Don't forget to hit that big subscribe button and click the bell to join in on all the fun.